Hi, and welcome to Success Strategies for English Composition 1. This is a separate course from English Composition 1, so I wanted to go over it with you so you understand what this course is all about. You're going to see here that we are in the English 090 course, so I can see which course I'm in up here. You will have a separate course card to go into for English 101 and a separate one for English 090. So make sure you're looking in both courses each week to see what assignments that you need to do. One of the first things that you're going to see in this class is our syllabus, so I want you to click on that. It's not nearly as long as the English 101 syllabus, so it'll be really quick for me to go through. All the important information is up at the top. We will have class meetings for this class, but they're immediately following what we're doing in English 101. So just stay on the Zoom call, and if you have any questions about what's going on in English 090, you can ask at the end of those Zoom calls that we have for English 101. There's not a separate link or anything like that. So the course description and course performance objectives are here on the first page. Essentially, what this course is a supplemental course to help you do better in English 101. So this course will hopefully help you to earn that A in English 101. That's what my goal is anyway. So in this class, we're going to be doing a lot of activities that will assist you with the assignments you're doing in English Composition 1, but we're also going to be going over some other college success strategies. So things like time management skills, how to avoid procrastination, how to make sure that you're editing your written work really carefully. So you can read through this description and course performance objectives on this front page. On this second page here, I'm going to show you how your grade is calculated in English 090. You're going to see right up here that 75% of your grade is based just on your completion of the activities in the weekly modules. I make the activities in these modules really simple. I don't want you to spend a lot of time doing busy work in this class because I want you to focus on what we're doing in English 101. So again, everything we do in here is going to help you in that class. So just as long as you do the work, this should be an easy A for you. You're also going to have a grammar mini lesson that you're going to do this semester. It's worth 15% of your grade. And you're also going to have to participate in a tutoring session with one of our wonderful academic support lab tutors at some point during the semester. I prefer you to work with them on your rough drafts of either essays 1, 2, or 3, and even better yet, essays 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so some more information is there to give you some information about each one of those requirements. Our course schedule, and then also information about our work sessions, just again, immediately following our English 101 classes is there as well. So this is just a simple 2-page syllabus. Sorry, I'm sure you can hear my dogs barking in the background. All right, so that you'll see in this little preview module, and then I did go ahead and open up the week 1 module for you as well. So start up at the top where it says start here. It gives you some information on how to complete the modules. A lot of times, you see up here where it says mark as done, after you've read the page, just go ahead and mark it as done. And when you do so, if I come on back and show you in the module, you're going to see a little green check mark. That means that you did what was required on that page, okay? So that one was as simple as just reading something. Here I'm telling you to get the Canvas app on your smartphone. Once you do that, you can mark it as done and then go on to the next page and so on. I also want you to download the Grammarly app, so you'll see that there. There is another introductory discussion post for this class. I know you're doing one for English 101, but I want you to do one for this class as well. And in this introductory discussion post, I'd like you to focus in on what are some ways that your classmates can help you to earn an A+ on your writing assignments. So I have a little structure here for you. You don't have to, write your discussion post exactly like this, but this gives you some ideas of how to do it. And you'll have that posted by Monday night. And then I also have some tips on how to get organized, again, as you read through, and I have a little video for you to watch as well. As you read through all of this, once you're finished, remember to mark it as done, okay, because this is, again, how you're earning your participation grade for this week, okay? So that's all in there. Again, I welcome you to this class. I hope you really enjoy this semester. I think you're going to find this to be a worthwhile class, not just for English Comp 1, but also for your other high school and college courses if you're still in high school, but definitely for your college courses. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to reach out to me. You can send me a message through Canvas just by going to your inbox right here in Canvas. You can also send me an email at jmartin@salemcc.edu, or you can even call or text me at 351-2660. Thank you so much. I look forward to working with you this semester.